Hello everyone, welcome to our new episode. Today we're gonna do unboxing and demo for ABO, Milwaukee and Makita. Let's go.
Hello guys, I'm Mia from Cordless City, Singapore, and today we're going to be introducing to you our Makita DHP 490RF drill. So today we're going to do a demo and unboxing. So it comes with a hard case. It also comes with a manual. Also comes with a 3.0 ampere 18 volts lithium ion battery. Also, it comes with a battery charger. And the drill itself. The Makita DHP 490RF. It comes with an 18 volts 3.0 lithium ion battery. Also, it is brushless, cordless hammer drill, can drill holes, drive screws, and mix paints. Can do a lot of things, but the main feature is it has an adjustable clutch. The maximum torque is 65 Newton meter. The capacity masonry is 13 mm. Steel is 13 mm. The chuck capacity is 13 mm. As you can see. And the net weight is 1.4 to 1.7 kg. So let us see GARVIE because he's gonna do a demo for you guys.
Hello guys, I'm gonna do a demo to you. And this is the Makita DHP 490RF. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Guys, we're gonna do unboxing for Milwaukee. Okay, this is the drill, the machine. This is the battery charger, and this is the battery. Hello guys, this is the Milwaukee fuel drill driver M12, and this one is brushless, cordless drill, and this one can drill holes, drive screws, mix paint, and can do a lot of things, but main feature is that it has an adjustable clutch and the maximum torque 44 Newton meter, and this one have two speed setting, and drilling masonry is 13 mm, the capacity, and then for steel 13 mm, capacity 13 mm, and the net weight is 1.5 kg. Hello guys, this is the Milwaukee M12 drill driver. Hello guys, this is GARVIE from Hardware City, and this is the ABO. We're gonna do demo and unboxing to you. And this is the brushless electric drill from ABO. Okay guys, this is the ABO lithium brushless electric drill, and this one is a 18 volts battery and can do drilling, screwing, and also this one have 2 batteries. And main feature is this one have a adjustable clutch, and also the torque of this one is 100 Newton per meter, and capacity masonry is 6 mm, and capacity steel is 10 mm, for wood 20 mm, and the total kg of this one is 1 kg. Hello guys, we're gonna do a demo for ABO. This is the driver drill, 18 volts.